you to do is please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share and comment. So today we are making potato salad, and we are starting off by cutting our peeled potatoes into cubes. So here I have some mayonnaise and pepper sauce, pimento, chadon, beni and celery, mixed vegetables, garlic and onion, cubed cheese, granulated sugar, cubed boiled eggs, and my potato that is already cooked. Now let's get started. To my potatoes, I'm adding my mixed vegetables, and these have been cooled, both the vegetables and the potato, my cubed cheese, and my eggs. And now I'm going to combine these ingredients together. I'll take my time. As you can see, my bowl is a bit small. To this now I'm adding my pimento, flavor pepper or seasoning pepper as it's called, my garlic and onion, chadon, beni and celery, and I'm gonna combine that together. Then I'm going to add here my granulated sugar as well as my mayonnaise and pepper sauce. You want to get that incorporated into the mixture. And it's as simple as that. We have our potato salad here. What I sometimes do is smash some of the potatoes so that it's just gonna make the salad a bit more rich in texture. So this brings us to the end of today's video. So I do hope that you enjoyed learning how to create my version of potato salad. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.